recap our little ball flight activity we did 1 + 5 = 9. We worked our way through our normal ball flight, slight draw, slight fade, high draw. So the thought of it was, like we said, if I'm going to set up my feet for a normal shot and I want to hit a high draw, I set my club to it, and then I adjust my feet. So if I swing along my feet, I'll create spin along the ball, which will create the change of ball flight. A couple other things we worked on too to kind of further that point. We used alignment sticks to set our club down and say we want to hit a high draw. We're going to set our club in the same line, but affect our feet. Notice my club face did not change when I did that. So what that's doing is I'm swinging, but I'm keeping the club face still pat. It's going to change the ball. And then also when it came to consistency with the ball, Trevor and I worked on a little drill that we do as far as weight shift goes, back, through. And those were the things we worked on today. Any questions? No. Thank you. Good. We kind of started out with kind of some basics, just kind of things we looked at instead of taller putts. So we worked on 3, 6, 9 footers. Worked on some lag putts, played a couple putting games, kind of work on your skills, even with pretty much long. So Trevor, kind of walk me through real quick. I always ask my students to have that team sheet. So walk me through kind of a short club versus think you work out fundamentals, think you always have a club.
Alright, I'm going to walk up to the ball, approach it, line up, my feet set about shoulder width apart. I'm going to have my ball set up a little bit in front of the stance.
Okay.
I'm going to be leaning over, try to have my eyes over the ball. I'm going to use the back of my putter here, nice line into the hole. Lean right over, have a nice stiff arms with a rock in the shoulders right here.
Okay. We've got our short game lesson we just worked on hitting 3 different shots, a chip, a pitch, and a flop. All of these shots, we said we're going to have the ball in the middle or front of our stance. We're going to hit a lower shot, we're going to move it back, but our weight's always going to be forward. The tip I gave us to raise that right heel to assure that your weight's on that left side, and the handle always wins the race, right? That's what we said. Handle always beats the club head there. A couple things we kind of learned as we went. When we open up the club face, it's a lot easier to move closer to the ball to help us swing left, pop the ball up in the air. The faster we swing, the more spin there is, higher the ball is, so softer it lands, right?
Yeah.
Cool. Any questions?
No.
All right. See you guys next week.
Yeah. Park.
Okay, it's getting a little cold out here, so we're going to wrap up our final clinic. We just worked on kind of avoiding trouble, hitting clubs like a 3-iron or a 3-wood off the tee, or hitting a driver that we can control the trajectory. You guys all did a nice job there. And then we also talked about when you get into trouble, how to get out, whether it's curving the ball or adjusting the flight. And we mentioned how knowing your ball flight and what your tendencies are is really helpful as far as becoming a better player and getting in and out of trouble. So that's the end of my video conclusions. Thanks again for doing this, and let's go get them.